Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to connect interactive brokers to TradingView. I'll be doing this on the web version. Let's get straight into it. First, head to tradingview.com/chart in your browser. Once the chart loads, you'll see the main price chart interface. Next, open the trading panel. Look for the trading panel button in the top toolbar. It might also be labeled as Trade. The trading panel will appear usually at the bottom of your screen. If it's minimized, expand it. This panel shows your orders, positions, and account overview. Now you'll see a list of brokers. Find the Interactive Brokers tile in the panel and select it. The position of this tile can vary. When you click it, a pop-up window will appear with a Connect button. Click the Connect button. This brings up the login form. Here's an important step before you enter your credentials. Choose your trading mode. You'll see live trading and paper trading options above the username field. Select the one you want to use. The login pop-up changes color to help you confirm which mode you've selected. Gray for live trading, red for paper trading. You can only set this before logging in, so choose now. Once you've selected your mode, enter your Interactive Broker's username in the first field. Then type your password in the second field. Click the Login button. An agreement screen will pop up next. This authorizes the connection between TradingView and your Interactive Brokers account. Type your name in the input field, then click the I agree button. The trading panel will update to show your Interactive Brokers positions. You'll also see a green dot indicator below the chart next to Interactive Brokers, confirming the connection is active. Your account details, balances, and trading stats will all be visible in the panel now, along with tabs for orders, trade history, and more. One quick note to switch between live and paper trading later: you'll need to disconnect and reconnect through this same process. Also, paper trading requires your paper account credentials, not your live account login. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.